Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
That's right. Don't go away.
Beachy Beach.
So Heather, I know you have an adorably updated condo.
Yes.
Tell me about it.
You've got to check this one out. They have updated this condo at Laketown Wharf. It is a 3-bed, 2-bath, totally modernized, both with paint colors, styles. You know what's super cool about this unit?
It's close to One Taco?
It's absolutely right above One Taco.
Okay.
Nailed it. The rest is
Okay.
red.
Okay. All right. So besides getting tacos anytime you want, what else do you love about it?
What's really great, they've updated everything. Brand new kitchen with countertops, all of the lighting fixtures, and an extra special unique thing is that it has a Tempurpedic movable bed. That's
Nice.
going to convey with the unit. So you can get this beautiful upgraded Gulf View unit for under $475,000.
So if you want more information about this gorgeous Gulf front condo on the east end of PCB, don't miss out. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell.